Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. Worked on a Dodge Charger 2016, changing the fuel pump. The fuel pump is actually on the driver's side under the back seat. Very easy. You're going to get a new wiring harness. This is the old one. So if you took this from the fuel pump, these two are going to be for the fuel pump itself, and they're going to be two orange wires that are going to be from the new fuel pump. The only difference is this one black wire right here will be in its place. So now this blue wire will be between the two orange wires. It'll be just like that. These are for your fuel level that goes up and down and tells you how much fuel you have. So on the new the new fuel pump, will take orange, and then you'll take the other purple right here, and then the two purples over here, and it will look like this versus like this. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. I'm going to go over it again. This is the original one that came off of your wiring harness. It'll be just like that. These two right here are for your float, tells you how much gas you have. These two right here are going to be for the fuel pump itself. So on the new one, you're going to get two orange wires, and the rest are purple, which is very confusing, but you just take the orange wire that's closest to this side, put those two together, and on the new wiring harness, this goes right here, the other orange one goes right here, and then your other purple wire goes right here. So it'll be orange, purple, orange, and then the other two the two purple ones that are in the corner, two purple ones are going to be in the corner, will go to these two right here that tells you how much gas you have. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.